This is pages 14 and 15, hand bells. On page 14, left hand plays the first half. On page 15, right hand plays the second half. The first time through, I'm going to ignore that fancy letter P and fancy letter F. We'll do that the next time through. And I'm going to ignore the repeat sign at the end. I'll do that next time as well. So first page, it's left hand on the 3 black keys, 2, 3, 4. And here's the song with the note names. Not note names, finger numbers, excuse me. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. Okay, switch to right hand on the next page, which is 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2. All right, now I'll go back to the beginning and I'm going to add in the fancy letter P, which stands for piano, which means soft, and the fancy letter F, which stands for forte, which means loud. So you will hear a big difference between those two dynamics. I will also add in count numbers, so counting to 2 for half notes and counting to 4 for the whole note. And I will add in the repeat that's at the end of the song. That means go back and play it again. So here we go, left hand starting. Excuse me, I'm going to start softer than that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right hand's turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, left hand starts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right hand's turn, next page. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that is the end of the song because we did the repeat. We don't have to do it again. Twice through is what you do for a repeat.